Greetings, my dear students. Welcome to our next topic, rational expressions. Rational expressions are also called algebraic fractions. So to start with, allow me to introduce to you first the basic concept of the topic. What are rational expressions? Rational expressions are quotient of two polynomials. So take note, naka-highlight or nakabaga, naka-bold letter ang quotient of two polynomials. No? So, recall the meaning of the word quotient. Quotient is viewed as a division of two expressions. No? It is also helpful to view as fractions or simply ratios. So, mag-ingon gani ta og fraction, mag-ingon po tag ratio, actually parihara na siya og quotient. Mag-ingon hisgot kitag fraction, so imagine na nga na ay linya sa tunga unya ibabaw sa linya na ay expression tawgon siya numerator. Ang naaubo sa linya tawgon og denominator. O mao na ang fractions. Now, on the other hand, ang polynomial is actually a monomial or sum of monomials, no? So, mao na ang simple nga definition sa monomial. So, unsam ning polynomial, unsam na ituod ning monomial. On the other hand, a monomial is a real number. Take note ha, ang monomial kuno real number. Pwede pod siya a variable. Variables are letters in the alphabet or a product of a real number and one or more variables with kompleto no, whole number exponent. So take note ha, ang requirements sa usa ka polynomial dapat kuno monomial no, or sum of monomials. Unya gi-define diri ang monomial, ang iyang requirement dapat real number isa. Ikaduha, pwede pod variable or letters in the alphabet. Or pwede pod nga gi-combine siya pinaagi sa pag-multiply sa real number o variables apan na ay kondisyon. Dapat whole number ang exponent. Kay kung dili gani na siya kapasar aning tulo, wala aning sa tulo. No? Meaning dili real number. Meaning to say dili variable. Meaning to say combination sa product sa real number o variable pero ang iyahang exponent dili whole number, aw di na siya matawag nga polynomial. Unya, kung di matawag nga polynomial, di na siya matawag nga rational expressions. Kay una, dapat kining rational expressions naa siya requirement niya dapat puro polynomial unya atong gi-divide or gi-express as ratio or fractions. Okay? So ingana lang siya ka simple. Now ato kung testingan ko makasabot ba atong i-illustrate ang rational expressions. So this activity will help us illustrate rational expressions. The direction told us to tell whether the given is a rational expression or not a rational expression. So first given, 3/4 or 3/4. So klaro man no? Nga this is a fraction na ay linya sa tunga, ang ibabaw sa linya 3 mao ni ang numerator. Ang ubo sa linya which is number 4 mao ni ang denominator. And since 3 and 4 are polynomials, kay these are real numbers, therefore 3/4 is a rational expression. No? Another example. Okay ni. X over 5. So, we notice that ang numerator niya is a variable. And a variable or letter X is also a polynomial. On the other hand, ang denominator is a number or real number. And it is also a polynomial. Therefore, both of them is expressed as quotient of two polynomials. So, therefore, It is a rational expressions. Another one, kini, y plus 1 over y. Okay, y plus 1 over y. So, notice, ang iyang numerator, no, ibabaw sa iyahang linya is y plus 1. So, kini, no, matod ganina, giingon ka ganina nga, polynomial is a monomial or sum of monomial. So, y is monomial and another one is another monomial which is 1. Unya, gi-add sila. So, duha na ka monomial na siya specific nga name binomial. Okay, usa na siya ka expression. Unya, ang yang denominator is only a monomial. Okay? Now, we cannot cancel actually ha, kay kining y, di na ito mag-cancel kay y plus 1 is taken as one expression. Usa na ka expression. Now, take note, y plus 1 is a polynomial and y is also a polynomial. Is it directly considered as rational expressions? No? So, naturally, pwede ta maka-jump into conclusion nga rational expressions, pero hinahinay ta ani guys, no? Kay take note, variables or letters may represent any numbers, no? Bisan unsa nga numero. Now, since naghisgot tag division or quotient, na ay bawal sa to ang pag-divide, no? Unsa man ang bawal, sir? Ang bawal is kitawag siya og restriction, no? Matawag ni siya nga rational expression when y is not equal to 0. Unsa may but pasabot ani? Oh. Mani ako i-emphasize ri. Dili pwede nga ang y mo equal sa 0. So pwede bisan unsa nga numero sa Bisaya ni ha. Y could be any number. Ako sa ining lesson. Y could be any number in real number except 0. So pwede bisan unsa nga numero. Ayaw lang ng 0. Kaya nga naman, kaya kung ato i-substitute ang value sa 0, ang value sa y as 0, I mean, so this becomes 0 plus 1 divided by 0. And that is 0 plus 1 is 1 divided by 0. And take note, 1 divided by 0 is undefined. Okay? Undefined. So therefore, this y should not be equal to 0 is called the restriction, and this is very important because this will make you aware that all of these numbers, when substituted to the value of y, could be rational expression. Pero kung 0 na gani, dili na siya matawag nga rational expression. Kaya di na makaka-divide. Undefined naman. Okay? So, y plus 1 all over y is a rational expression when y should not be equal to 0. So, kining primero ikaduha, no? Si 3/4 o si x over 5, wala siya restriction. Nga naman, klaro naman nga, fixed ang iyahang divisor. Iyahang denominator, 5. Kini diri sa ikatulo, pwede man bisan unsa nga numero. O pwede bisan unsa nga numero, gawas lang sa 0. Okay, klaro na guys ha. So kung unsay numero nga makapasiro sa denominator, maunay bawal o restriction. Ug di na ninyo i-appeal. Okay. Sunod. X cubed minus 8 all over x squared plus 3x minus 10. Okay, muna ni. So, x cubed minus 8 is actually a polynomial. Yeah, the highest degree is 3, no? The degree of the equation or the polynomial, I mean, the degree of the polynomial x cubed minus 8 is 3. While in the denominator, x squared plus 3x minus 10. The degree of the polynomial is 2. Degree gani is the highest exponent. Now, is this a rational expression or not a rational expression? Take note, the numerator can be factored out. And the denominator can also be factored out. So to factor this one, actually, no, this is x minus 3, the quantity of x minus 3 times the quantity of x squared minus plus 2x plus 4. While the other one, sa denominator, x, the quantity of x plus 5 times the quantity of x minus 2. So therefore, since ang numerator is a polynomial and the denominator is a polynomial and they are expressed as a quotient or a fraction, therefore it is a rational expression but with restriction. Kay na letter or na variable diri sa ubos. And that is rational expression when x should not be equal to 2 and x should not be equal to negative 5. Ngano man ni siya, sir? Kay kung imo ni siya factor ning denominator, that is x plus 5 and the quantity of x minus 5. So kung negative 5 siya, negative 5 plus 5, it becomes 0. No? Ang quantity nga x plus 5. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0. And any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So, kining mga numero nga negative 5 o kining positive 2, mao nay makapasiro sa denominator. And that is why they should not be included. Dili na to ni apilon ni siya sa denominator nga value ug sa numerator. Kay kung ato ni siya apilon, this is considered as not rational expression kay mahimo na siyang undefined. What about the last example? 5 minus z all over square root of 3z. Now, take note, kining numerator is a polynomial. However, ang denominator is not considered as polynomial. It is only an algebraic expression. No? Now, nga naman sir, kay kining 3z, kung ato ni siya irusuwat sa exponential nga form, pagkasuwat, no, exponent, dili na ni siya makahimo og whole number nga exponent, but fraction ang iyahang exponent. So therefore, niingon man to ang requirement sa rational expression, dapat kuno una monomial siya. Ang monomial, no? Ang monomial dapat numero, real number. Ikaduha, dapat variable or pwede pod kombinasyon kung i-multiply ang numero o variable. Unya, inig-combine nimo sa iyang multiplication, dapat whole number ang iyahang exponent niya. Kini 3 times z. Okay, numero unya i-multiply sa variable z, pero dili siya musod sa ikatulong nga requirement, which is ang exponent dapat whole number. So therefore, the last example is not a rational expressions. Okay? Klaro na siya guys ha? So, ato i-wrap up. So, unsa din yung rational expressions? Rational expressions are quotient of two polynomials. Symbolically or in symbolic representation, it is written in the form of P over Q. So, P is a numerator and Q is the denominator. Unya, si P ug Q are polynomials and si Q, which is the denominator or the divisor, should not be equal to 0. Kay kung 0 siya, the whole expression can no longer be divided. Dili siya pwede ma-divide. Dili siya pwede ma-quotient because it will become undefined. I hope guys nga the concept of rational expressions is clear sa inyong pagsabot. And this will help you answer your weekly home learning plan. God bless us all.